Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to our panel and my supervisor. My name is Adibatira binti Barin, and I will be presenting my final year project with the title of Design of Adjustable Computer Learning Table Suitable for Pandemic Environment. And my supervisor name is Engineer Dr. Azina Muhammad Saleh. Here is the detail for my project. Firstly, I will start with the table of content for this slide presentation, which is the first one is project summary, the next one introduction and problem statement, the third one is project goals, next is the literature review, fifth the scope and limitation, the sixth one is methodology, and the last one is about the concept design for this project. The first one is project summary. The project summary is divided into three, which is the first one is table design. The table is designed in this project involve researching adjustable and portable mechanisms that can be implemented through the table design. At the same time, to use material and fabrication process that is not expensive and efficient. The table design involves researching adjustable and portable mechanisms that can be implemented through the table design. At the same time, to use material and fabrication process that is not expensive and efficient. The second one is project involved. Because the main objective is to produce a table design, few adjustments and additional features are included. Kata and Blender software will be used to design and simulate the project. The pandemic-approved furniture will help manage the physical teaching and learning, training, and potential will be used for effect. The third one is the proposal content. A brief explanation about the project is explained in this proposal. Content mentioned included the literature review, conceptual design, function, and the approach used in the project. The introduction for this project is a standard table design often used in the market is either only for common practice or only for limited space. So this project is aimed to produce a design of adjustable computer learning table suitable for the pandemic environment. Based on the title of the project, the critical point is listed as below. The first one is COVID-19 prevention design, adjustable design, which is ergonomic, portable, which is to allow easy placement of the table, can be used for 3 people simultaneously, suitable mechanism, and the last one is suitable material and fabrication process for each part. The problem statement that I found in this project is finding the most appropriate mechanism to create heat adjustable of the platform itself. The second one is material selection for the whole part needed to be decided according to the use of each part. Lastly, the problem statement is ensuring that the mechanism used according to the ergonomic design can operate smoothly. Next is project goal. The project goal for this project is to investigate the adjustable pandemic specific learning table, design and material. Second is to design the adjustable pandemic specific learning table. And third one is to analyze and simulate the adjustable pandemic table in the Blender software or any other software. Next is literature review that be done for this project is for the key point is pandemic environment, ergonomic design, and the high-end PC. For the pandemic environment, according to WHO, everyone can take several prevention steps to curb the infection of the COVID-19 to the environment. As an example, to maintain 1 meter apart from others or avoid doing activities in the crowded space. Thus, in this project, creating a pandemic-approved table design is one of the main objectives. The second one is ergonomic design. Ergonomic design is a design of arrangement of things that will be used according to the suitable height or position so that the people and things interact in the most efficient and safely. Adding an adjustable height features to the table design will help lower the chance of users' possibility of having the musculoskeletal system affected due to incorrect posture. And the lastly is high-end PC. Research regarding specification needed to set up high-end PC is also included in the literature review. Research done is because the size and strength of the table should be able to withstand the weight, size, and the equipment needed to set up a high-end PC. Thus, appropriate information regarding this setup is necessary. For the scope and limitation, as you can see in this slide, which is there's 5 points, which is the first one is fine in general, which is about the lack of resource in the study. The second one is mechanism used. Most of the mechanism used is not widely spread, which is it's quite hard to find the correct one. The third one is material selection. This is about researching material that is suitable for each part, either for the wheels, for the table surface, or for the wood that holding the table. The fourth one is fabrication process. Finding fabrication process that will not damage each part, design and most effective. The last one is software use. Experimenting with available software to choose for design and simulation process. Methodology for this project is PDCA method. This method is used by breaking the process into 4 categories. The first is plan phase. Planning phase of the design involves researching journal and reference for the information needed, and mechanism design used for the adjustable table. It also involves identifying problems regarding the design, material use, and fabrication process. The second category is do phase. It involves sketch and design of the product part, fabrication process of product parts, and redo the design in the software, either Blender or CATIA or SolidWorks. The third category is check phase. It's about reviewing the design and do an analysis, improve the design based on the feedback of the supervisor and the furniture maker. It also involves the check the probability of the mechanism. The last category is about the act phase. It involves adjusting and change for any flaw, do a market survey and complete the documentation for the final report. The next one is about infographic. For this process, it involves first identifying the project title, second is identifying the key point and theory involved. The third one is use appropriate main key and literature review via online, either Easy Access or Google Scholar. The fourth one is identifying issue, potential, and limitation of the table design. Next is list or summation of article or journal found. The last one is creating a concept design for this project. The first concept design is by referring to the picture shown in the slide. It's about the size of the table is standard for one person table. The platform has an adjustable heat mechanism while the working area can be adjusted using the slider. The table design did not include detachable wheels that will allow the table to be portable. However, it included a detachable speaker holder. And lastly, the production and assembly of the table may be average as it is a combination of every design in the market. Concept design 2. Second design is using standard table design that available in the market, but it included a shelf-like platform design as a riser for the monitor. The transparent partition holder is built in on the table surface which hold the partition securely. The last concept design, which is concept design 3, it divided into 2, which is for the possible platform design and the possible table design. The possible platform design is focusing on the adjustable, which will allow user to use it while standing or sitting. And the possible table design is as shown in the picture, which includes the detachable compartment for the CPU and the wheel for portability. Platform design. For the platform design, it has 2 areas, which is one area dedicated for the placing the monitor only, and another area is for keyboard and mouse. This platform has an adjustable head feature, which using the slider mechanism. Adjusting the head is done manually by the user, as you can see in the video as shown below. For the table design, as you can see in the picture provided in the slide, there is the table have an adjustable size, which is it can extendable either to increase or decrease by using the additional table surface. And it has detachable CPU holder and wheels, which is we can, if we want to move the table, we can attach the wheels. And if you are using the table for the CPU holder, we can attach it too. The next one is built-in partition holder. As you can see in the concept design too, we also create a built-in partition holder, which is to hold the transparent partition that will be used during pandemic environment. And for the video, as shown in the slide, it's for explanation for the extendable design.
Today we're building a dining table for many people.
After creating all the three concept design, we are using part chart to determine which one is the best design. Based on the part chart, it can be summarized that the design concept with a high total score 15 is the best to choose from the three concept design. The third design is the most preferred because the concept design satisfies all the needed criteria. The other two designs can still be used, but at the essential criteria such as pandemic-approved design, adjustability of the table is not implemented. Therefore, both concept design has a low total score. Thus, the third concept design is the most preferred one. For my presentation of final year project, and I would like to say thank you for watching this video. Stay safe everyone.